The Milwaukee Brewers are near the top of the majors in walks allowed and hit batters, which leads to their high ERA. That combination was on full display at Wrigley Field against the Cubs. On the mound for the Cubs, Carlos Zambrano. A year ago on Monday, he threw a no-hitter against Houston. Corey Hart saw wing batter Ryan Braun swinging. Casey McGee, same thing, 9 Ks for Zambrano. Bottom 4, 2-0 ball game. Cubs lead 2-on-2 out. Derek Lee, a 2-run double. RBIs number 99 and 100. So he hits the century mark and he puts the Cubs up 4-0. Top 5, 2-on-2 outs. Now everything unfolds with 2 outs in the top of the 5th inning against Carlos Zambrano. Corey Hart, 2-run double, makes it 4-2. Ryan Braun would follow with an RBI single to make it 4-3. Zambrano would only last 5 innings, 6 hits, 4 walks, 5 runs, and here are the final 2 runs with the bases loaded after an intentional walk and a single. On a bad play from Ryan Theriot, Mike Cameron comes through with a 2-run single, 5-4 Brewers. Bottom 5, that lead didn't last for very long. Leadoff batter Giovanni Soto on a 1-2 pitch hits it up and out. His 11th of the season, and it's a 5-5 ball game. Bring on Todd Coffey at 6'4", 240. That's what he's listed at least. He comes running through from the bullpen. Bases are loaded, and he hits Aramis Ramirez. Can't do that on television. Makes it 6-5. It was 10-5 after 6. Bases loaded, bottom 7. Derek Lee walks. 2 outs later, bases loaded again. Milton Bradley hit by a pitch. 12-5. Bottom 8. What do you know? Bases loaded again. Stop me if you've heard this before. Bases loaded walk. Micah Hoffpower takes the free pass this time. Cubs win 13-7. Brewers pitchers walked 12 batters, and they hit 3. Derek Lee and Ryan Theriot each walked 4 times, as Lee gets to the 100 RBI mark for the 2nd time in his career.